If there's a bee in your house, one way you can get rid of it is by trapping and releasing it outside. Put on a long-sleeve shirt and pants, and grab a cup or bowl. You'll also need a newspaper or sheet of paper. When the bee lands somewhere, carefully place the cup or bowl on top of it. Then, slide the piece of paper between the bee and the surface it landed on to trap it in the container. Carefully carry the container outside. Then, remove the paper and let the bee fly away. If you don't want to approach the bee, you can also try opening all of your doors and windows and waiting for it to fly outside on its own. Alternatively, you make a sugar water trap to catch the bee. Just mix about 1 part sugar with 3 parts water and add half a cup, 120 milliliters, to a container with a plastic lid. Punch a hole in the center of the lid that's about the size of the diameter of your pinky. Then, place the trap near the bee and wait for it to crawl through the hole to get to the sugar water. Once the bee is in the jar, take the trap outside and remove the lid to set it free.